I'm Steve Cabrera. I'm an arborist, certified arborist here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Good morning. All right, so today we're going to be taking down this pine tree. It's got to lean back toward the neighbor's barn here, but we're going to be pulling with probably chipper winch that way. So on this project, we have some expendable little trees right here in front, but then we have a grafted pecan back here that we've got to protect. That guy right there. So what we'll do is we'll secure this butt here with a rope and a porty off to the side, just to keep that butt from bouncing off that way. We got just a few pecan branches right here. We're gonna let these branches scrape. Then we got a fruit tree out there, right in there. We're gonna let those branches scrape. So there's the little fruit tree. It's okay if we hit it. We've got clearance to hit it, but we're gonna try not to. So it's gonna go right in between that gap right there.
Ya no está jalando.
Yep. Well, there's that. I hope you liked it. The next one's going to be an elm tree that was 32-inch DBH, and we brought it all the way down to like a 20-foot spar. It was all sprawled out still, and we went ahead and dropped the whole spar. It's pretty cool. Check it out. See you on the next one.